They ask you how you are, you say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Oh my God! Hey.
Run.
We'll always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was wreck me. I came in like a wrecking ball.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh hell no!
I can't figure out just what to do when the cousin pure is you. I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control. And something takes over.
No.